Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Exterior design of a black modern house by the river. Overall aesthetic, a dramatic and minimalist look that harmonizes with the natural beauty of the river and mountains. Exterior finishes, black exterior, a sleek, modern look that contrasts sharply with the natural surroundings. Glass walls, floor-to-ceiling glass to maximize the stunning river and mountain views. Metal accents, sleek metal frames for windows and doors complement the black exterior. Stone or concrete base provides a solid foundation and complements the natural landscape. Architectural details, clean lines, a minimalist approach with sharp angles and geometric shapes. Flat roof, a contemporary and sleek look that complements the modern aesthetic. Overhangs, to provide shade and protection from the elements while maintaining the minimalist look. Landscaping, minimalist approach, prioritize the natural beauty of the river and mountains with minimal landscaping. Native plants, incorporate local plant species that complement the environment. Outdoor lighting, subtle lighting to highlight the house's architecture and create a dramatic ambience at night. Wooden boat dock, a natural element that complements the modern architecture and provides access to the river. Overall impression, a bold and contemporary statement that blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The black exterior creates a dramatic contrast against the lush greenery and blue waters, while the glass walls offer an immersive connection to nature. The wooden boat dock adds a touch of warmth and functionality to the overall design. Interior design of a black modern house by the river. Overall aesthetic, a minimalist and luxurious interior that maximizes the stunning river and mountain views, while contrasting the dramatic black exterior. Color palette, predominantly white to create a sense of spaciousness and light. Black accents to echo the exterior and add depth. Natural tones like beige or gray for balance. Materials, wood for warmth and texture, stone or concrete for flooring and accents, glass and metal for a modern industrial feel. Furniture, clean lines and simple shapes for a minimalist aesthetic, comfortable and inviting seating arrangements, multifunctional furniture to optimize space. Decor, minimalist artwork or photography to complement the natural surroundings. A few carefully selected decorative pieces. Indoor plants to bring the outdoors in. Key rooms, living room, open and airy with floor-to-ceiling windows framing the river and mountain views. A minimalist fireplace can add warmth and ambience. Kitchen, modern and functional with sleek cabinetry and high-end appliances. A large island can serve as a dining area. Bedrooms, serene and restful with a focus on comfort and relaxation. Use neutral colors and natural materials. Bathrooms, luxurious and spa-like with a focus on natural light and clean lines. Overall impression, a sophisticated and refined interior that reflects the modern exterior of the house. The use of contrast between black and white creates a dramatic yet elegant atmosphere, while the incorporation of natural materials brings a sense of warmth and balance. The interior should be designed to seamlessly connect with the outdoor spaces, maximizing the stunning views. Reasons to design a black modern house by the lake. A black modern house with glass doors, positioned by a lake with a mountain backdrop, offers a unique blend of style, functionality, and environmental consciousness. Here are some compelling reasons for this design choice. Aesthetic appeal. Dramatic contrast. The black exterior creates a striking contrast against the natural beauty of the lake and mountains. Modern minimalism. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic align with contemporary design trends. Visual impact. The large glass doors maximize the stunning views, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Functionality. Natural light. The glass walls allow for maximum natural light, creating a bright and airy interior. Indoor-outdoor living. The design encourages a strong connection with nature and promotes a healthy lifestyle. Privacy. The dark exterior can provide a sense of privacy and seclusion. Psychological benefit. Sense of calm. The minimalist aesthetic and connection to nature can promote relaxation and well-being. Inspiration. The stunning views can serve as a constant source of inspiration and creativity. Luxury and exclusivity. The unique design creates a sense of opulence and sophistication. Sustainability. Energy efficiency. While black can absorb heat, proper insulation and shading can mitigate this. Minimal environmental impact. The design can be adapted to incorporate sustainable materials and practices. Connection to nature. The house's orientation towards the lake and mountains promotes a harmonious relationship with the environment. By combining these elements, a black modern house by the lake can create a truly exceptional and unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.